Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while, but we got a little project today. We are going to put this in the car in place of that. And we'll see if we can get it to pop open by itself. Stay tuned. Okay, so to get the old boot or trunk struts out, there's a little metal retaining clip there. So you pop that up, you pop the one up down here, and then it just pops out. So you gotta make sure, there we go, and there, and then it pops out the bottom, and then we're going to replace that with one of these with some springs on it. And then in theory, when I click the trunk button or boot button, it should pop open by itself. So we'll get these installed. Same thing. It goes on there. And then there's a little metal retaining clip you pop down and then they get secured in place. Okay, so new struts in place. And we will see what happens. Test number one. Hey, it's like magic. So now if you're walking up to the car with, bags in your hand, you just have to click the boot button, trunk button, and it shall open by itself. You want to see it again? Closed, remote, open. Very nice. More videos coming soon. Track day coming up shortly. And maybe some shooting videos in the future. As always, guys, if you enjoy the content, I'll put a link in the description for the struts. Click the subscribe, like, comment. If you have any questions, let us know.